Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and the lecture series of the Java Basics. Now in this video we will see about the binary operators. First of all, we understand what do you mean by binary operators. So do remember students, binary operators are the operators that uses a two operands. As we can see here, it uses a two operands. Suppose we have a operands n1 which is 10, and now the next we have a operand n2 20. Now I am using a binary operator n1 plus n2. That means this plus is a binary operator. Why? Because it uses a two operands. And one more thing that we have to remember is that when this operator will perform its task and it produces a result, the result of the same type as a operand. That means whatever the result is produces by the binary operator, right, which is of the same type, that is your answer. Since n1 is integer, n2 is integer, therefore I am storing the result as a integer. So when we add these two numbers, right, this will generate the result of type integer. So this is the basic introduction of the binary operator. Now we have a different types of binary operators. First, arithmetic operators, we all know: plus, minus, multiply, divide and modulus. These are the five operators. These all operators are the binary operators. All the relational operators, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, these are the binary operators. All the bitwise operators are the binary operator except the bitwise not, that is this. Then comparison operator is also a binary operator. Not equal to operator is also a binary operator. These all are the operators that requires two operands to perform its task. Let us see the example of the binary operator in Java. Okay, now we start the example of the binary operator. Now we will first start the CMD, the basic steps that is required to execute the Java program. Now we set the path, path equals to, within double quotes, right, we will copy the path from the this PC, C drive, program files, then Java, JDK, bin. Just copy this file and then paste this file, this path. Now just check Java C and press enter. As we can see here, the path is set. CLS clear screen. Now we start with the coding part. Okay, so now first we create a class binary optr, that is your operator. Okay, now the entry point of the program execution: public static void main within bracket string args arguments. Now as we all know, right, all the arithmetic operators are the binary operators. So let us take the example of this: n1 10 and n2 is your 5. So these are the two variables, two operands. Now we will just start system.out.println. Now we print the addition equals to, plus within bracket I will write n1 plus n2. So this is my first, just copy this line, and we have a 5 arithmetic operators: minus, multiply, divide and modulus. These all are the binary operators. Just change the this text also: subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So these are the 5 arithmetic binary operators. Okay, now let us save this program. The file name of this code will be same as the class name binary operator, but it is not a compulsory. It is better ki we can save this file with the same name as a class, and the extension is .java, and just change this all file and save it. Now we start with the CMD. Now we first compile the file, java c, the binary operator file name .java. Just compile this file. See, there is no error in the file. Then again execute. To execute the Java program, we just type Java and the name of the file without any extension. As we can see here, since the n1 is 10 and 2 is 5, the answer is 10 plus 5, that is your 15. 10 minus 5, 5. Then 10 into 5, 50. Division is 2 and the modulus is 0. Because when we divide the 10 with the 5, the quotient is 2, but the remainder will be 0. Therefore, it is displaying a modulus as 0. So, this is the basic example of binary operators. Now, we have a second category of the binary operator, that is my system.out.println. All the relational operators are the binary operators. Now, n1 is less than n2. These all relational operators returns either true or false. As we can see here, n1, n2. Since n1 is not less than n2, n1 is 10. As we can see here, n1 is 10. But I am checking n1 is less than n2, n2 is 5. So this is not a true. That means this line will display the answer as false. Now again compile this file. CLS clear screen. Again Java C, binary operator .java, and then Java binary operators. As we can see here, the answer is false. Why? Because n1 is not less than n2. n1 is greater than n2. Now then again the second relational operator is your greater than. So this time, right, this line will print the output as true. Then again compile and execute. As we can see, the answer is true. Why? Because n1 is greater than n. So all the arithmetic operators, all the relational operators are the binary operators. Next we will see the comparison operator, that is your double equals to n1 is it equals to n2, then plus. Again this is a boolean operator, that means is either return or true or false. So since n1 is not equals to n2, but we are comparing here for equal to, that means it will return a false. And clear screen. Again compile this program, execute it. Right. Since n1 and n2 are not equal, therefore it is returning a false. Now I am just change the value of the n2. Now again we compile this file, then execute. Now the answer is true. Why? Because both are equal. So this is also a binary operator, and the last one is your not equals to operator, exclamation equals to. Now in this case, right, since both are equal, therefore, but we are checking not equal, right? That means these two operands, right, n1 and n2 are equal, but we are checking for the not equality, therefore it will return a false. See, now it is returning the false. Why? Because both are equal. Now I am changing the value of n2 to 11. Now again compile, execute. As you can see here, true. So this is basically a example of the binary operators, right? There are many operators that are binary operators, right? In the next video we will see the bitwise operators, right, that are belongs to the category of the binary operator. Bitwise operators play a very important role in the programming languages. So in the next video we will see the binary bitwise operators. I hope you understood this session. Thank you.